So I've ordered some models from Ukraine and they've just arrived this morning, and I just thought I'd let you know that it is safe to order model kits from Ukraine. These have both arrived this morning. These kits are made in Ukraine, so again, I'd like to support Ukrainian model companies during this difficult time. These are some of the parts from the BTR, which is the anti-tank version. I'm not totally familiar with this vehicle. This is one of these die-cast models. It's BTR 80, so I just put a Ukrainian flag on that. But this kit does look very nicely detailed. Comes with etched parts, decals to do the digital camouflage, rubber tyres. Because I'm British, I bought this vehicle as well, the Saracen armoured car. And this was the company I bought it from via eBay. From this friendly looking chap. They even sent some sweets. They send you a leaflet to explain how the package has made its journey to us. The other item that's been released is a set of figures from Mars. Again, made in Ukraine, not in space. Again, I've built one or two vehicles in 72nd scale with a Ukrainian theme, so it's nice to have some figures to put with them. They're on these circular sprues. That's one side and the other. I think they're rather cool looking. Very modern and up to date. Nice contrast actually with up to date with the anti-tank weapon and the Molotov cocktail. So I think they look really good. Again, don't be afraid, order them directly from Ukraine. I'm sure they'll be pleased to accept your business. And again, it's just nice to show your support. Thank you for watching.